Hi nice people, welcome back to my channel. Let's stay tuned and please join in this video, especially in my channel. Today we are going to show you how to make a vacuum cleaner with balloon twisting. So I think everyone know what is the vacuum cleaner. So let's see how to make the vacuum for the use the balloon twisting. Like you see over here, we make a small pin twist, two pieces with the brown color, and then fingers bubble. Next with the small pin twist again. Then make loop twisting for two pieces here. Yeah, so that's for the vacuum. That's it, how to make it. And the green color, it is will be for the handle. Yeah. For the rest of the balloon, we discard and don't forget to tie the balloon. Okay, that's for the green color, and then continue again with the brown color here. So the brown color we just tied with the green color, like the video show you. So you can repeat the same thing. We tied the brown and the green color, and twist with the brown color with a small paint twist for two pieces. All right. So for everyone, please pay your attention to the details of the way to make the vacuum with the balloon twisting. Okay, the video show you after we tied brown and green, and then we make a pin twist. That's for two pieces. Okay, take some size for the fingers bubble, and next with the small pin twist again. And for the rest of the balloon, we twist that in between the loop twisting, like the video show you, so you can make the same thing. So this is like a letter T. Actually, this is for the handle, and the green color is will be for the stick. Alright, for everyone, so during you enjoy this video, don't forget to give us your small support. Just click thumbs up below this video and subscribe my channel. Or maybe you can share the channel to your friends to get more support to growing up my channel. Okay, we back to the green color again. So the green color here we need to bend, and after that in the folding of the balloon we give the pressure a little bit, then we'll get the shape. Okay, so after we tie the brown with the green color here, okay, that's for the cable. So this is will be for the cable, and for the rest of the balloon we can discard. Don't forget to tie the balloon. You can see the shape is just looks like the real one, right? So that's for the vacuum. Yep. That's for the small pins twist, and then next with the bubble, continue with the small pins twist again. Okay, so after that we make a fingers bubble. So we are going to make the strangle. Okay, you can see that's a triangle, right? And this triangle, on the end of this triangle, we make a loop twisting, sorry, a small pins twist. Right, so for everyone, this is for the machine. Yep, so for the next, we need a black color for 2 pieces. So the black color here, it is a small balloon in 5 inch. Then we need it. Okay, we're done for the machine, and now we are going to continue to twist the cable into the machine. Okay, for everyone, so this is the vacuum cleaner with the balloon twisting. I hope you enjoy it and you get your vacuum. And don't forget to support, like, and subscribe my channel. We'll see you again with the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us. And see you again with the next video from Balloon Kids the channel. Bye bye.